Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. I'm here with a project share that I did with Millie the Silent Crafter for our collaboration of the one word collaboration. And last night we did on her channel, which was October 18th, at 8 p.m. We worked on her channel and we did the jelly plate, where she's doing the alphabet um, from A to Z, and we find different projects to do from A to Z. And last night was jelly plates. So here is one doily. Okay, here's two doily. Now I love this one, and this is some Waverly chalk paint to I did on a jelly plate. So that one. And then we have this one. And this one's done on the back also. Then we have the two little lace pieces. We have this one. This one. There's some that I'm going to layer a little bit more over. We have this one. But I'm not going to do it right now. This is another one of my favorites. The doily on the jelly plate. And it looks like it's all vintage around the brown chalk paint. I like that. Here's another one. And this one's like metallic paints with black chalk paint over here. And I used Craftwise black chalk paint. I used what other ones did I use? Deco Art and Apple Barrel. And this is metallic. This is my handprint. Look how it looks vintage. And there's like a little bit of a texture on it. And then we have this one. Okay. We got some more metallic. This one I did layers on. And I like the way this one came out also. This one's also layered. I left the lines that no, this is from a credit card, I think. If I'm not mistaken, the lines are from a little gift card from Dunkin' Donuts. This is from the bottom of one of my bead tubes. This one's just the shadows of some of the pieces I put down on my jelly plate. And here's some more of those shadows. This here I done with the end of my paintbrush. This I'm gonna do some more layering. Here's the outline of what I'm calling the shadow. See, here's the paintbrush line that you couldn't see on the other one. Here it is again. I did try to do 2 to 3 pulls from one layer of paint. Here is another layered look. Another layered look. Another layered look with the brown chalk paint. Let me see. My pages are falling all over the place. Here's another one with the doilies on it. Another one with the doily. Another one. Another one like this. Green metallic. I would layer more on the one before this and this one, and on this one I'm gonna do more layers. So that is all of my pages from last night. And here's the other things that I done on the jelly plate. I put one of Tsunami Rose's phrases on it because I wanted a different color. So I put it on my purple paint and I layered it like this, and then I went over it and it left a little print on my paper. Here's some other things that I layered on my jelly plate that it just colored them up. See? I'm gonna be using these in junk journals and stuff like that. And I did a few envelopes where I did layering on them. See? And that's all I done last night on Millie's channel for the One Word Collaboration. Will be on my channel this Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll be doing You Choose the Holiday You Want to Do this Friday. So I hope to see you all there on my channel. I finally got into my other channel, my usual channel. So I will say this in closing. Please like, share, and comment. And also subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Please be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be safe. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Bye-bye for now. See y'all later.